If you want to build wealth, start investing in these 8 assets. Ever pondered why the ultra-wealthy often live frugally, yet seize monumental opportunities with a swift signature? Imagine this. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, cruises in a modest sedan and rests in the same Nebraska home he purchased for $31,500 in the 1950s. But when a prime business opportunity emerges, he can mobilize billions in mere days. The secret isn't penny pinching, it's strategic spending. Wealthy individuals channel their resources into assets and skills that generate income for decades. Emulate their priorities, and even with a modest salary, you can ignite a wealth-building engine. Below are 8 investments the affluent consistently make. Start with just 2, especially the 6th, and watch your financial trajectory shift in weeks. Let's dive in. Broad market index funds. These may sound uninspiring, but they're the simplest way to own stakes in thousands of companies. Forget predicting the next tech unicorn. For the price of a weekly takeout, you can own a slice of the entire economy. These funds collect dividends, reinvest them, and historically grow at about 8% annually. Invest $25 weekly, and in 20 years, you could have a 6-figure nest egg without studying finance. Affluent families instill this habit early. Birthday cash goes into index funds, not fleeting toys. Each share you buy today will still be working for you, paying dividends when you're retired. High-quality nonfiction books and online courses. Billionaires view learning as mental compounding. A $20 book on negotiation could boost your salary by thousands over your career. A 3-hour digital marketing course might spark a side hustle by next weekend. Be selective. Choose authors with proven success and courses with credible instructors. Apply one lesson before moving on. Buffett devotes hours daily to reading reports and biographies. For you, 15 minutes of focused study can elevate your income, compounding with every new skill mastered. Dividend-paying stocks with consistent growth. These stocks provide cash flow without selling shares, like oxygen for your finances. Select companies, utilities, consumer goods, or healthcare, with decades of rising payouts. Reinvest dividends to buy more shares, and over time, those payments could cover your bills like rental income for a landlord. Start with $40 a month in a dividend ETF, reinvest, and one day, those funds might pay for your groceries while you sleep. Wealthy investors let these streams grow until they outpace expenses. Income-generating tools. Just as farmers invest in tractors, the rich buy equipment that amplifies output. If a purchase pays for itself within a year or unlocks higher earnings, it's a no-brainer. A landscaper's trimmer, a vlogger's microphone, or a coder's upgraded laptop. Each turns time into more revenue. List tools that could boost your efficiency, save for one each quarter, and avoid financing gadgets that gather dust. In a year, you could double your income while others are stuck with depreciating toys. Robust insurance and legal protection. This feels tedious until a crisis strikes. Medical emergencies, lawsuits, or property damage can erase years of savings overnight. The wealthy safeguard their wealth to let gains compound. Review health, renters, and umbrella policies annually, balancing deductibles and premiums. A $200 yearly premium could shield your net worth in a disaster. Insurance buys peace of mind, ensuring your investments have time to flourish. Real estate or REITs. Property ownership predates currency, but you don't need a hefty down payment. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, let you invest in apartments, offices, or warehouses for the cost of a dinner. Many pay monthly dividends and counter inflation. Wealthy families build equity to fund education or retirement. Start small, $50 monthly into a REIT index fund, and your portfolio will soon own pieces of skyscrapers, with rents fueling your wealth. Strategic networking and experiences. Affluent parents nudge their kids toward industry events, volunteering, or coffee with mentors. Relationships open doors money can't. One connection could spark a partnership, client base, or job that doubles your income. Budget $50 monthly for meetups, seminars, or lunches with influential people. Listen more than you speak, ask thoughtful questions, and follow up. Over a career, networking yields returns that outstrip most investments. Physical and mental health. A sharp mind and strong body are the ultimate assets, fueling ideas and energy. The wealthy invest in quality food, checkups, therapy, fitness coaching, anything that sustains peak performance. Cutting corners on health to save a few bucks often costs thousands in lost productivity or medical bills. A standing desk, good shoes, or meditation app can boost energy for work and side projects. Treat health like a dividend stock. Small inputs now yield lifelong returns. The pattern is clear. These investments either generate income or protect the systems that do: your mind, body, and network. They don't inflate egos or lose value seasonally. This is why a billionaire can live modestly yet fund a factory in a heartbeat. Adopt this mindset, and choices clarify. Before spending, ask, will this pull money toward me or push it away? If it's the latter, skip it. Starter plan. First, open a brokerage account with weekly auto transfers of $10 to $50, split across a broad index fund, dividend ETF, and REIT ETF. Second, read one impactful book monthly, dedicating 15 minutes daily. Third, identify a tool to boost your income and save 10% of each paycheck to buy it cash. Fourth, audit insurance and health spending to shield against setbacks. Fifth, attend one industry event or forum monthly, contributing value. Mark these on your calendar, repeat for a year, and watch the numbers grow quietly. Dividends hitting $1,000 or a connection landing a gig. Compounding doesn't care if you start with $20 or $2,000. It rewards consistency. Picture Buffett in his old car, his wealth tied to railroads and companies, not flash. You won't own a railway, but you can own shares in one. You can acquire knowledge to spot opportunities, health to seize them, and networks to deliver them. Skip the latest phone, and your savings will work overtime in an index fund. When you splurge, maybe on a dream vacation, let it be with profits your assets earned, not debt. Start tonight. Pick one item, buy it this weekend, and share your plan with a friend to track progress together. Wealth builds quietly, but you don't have to build it alone.